Om Shanti. Today, 1st October 2021. Let us listen today's Murli highlights. Baba says, you children should have the intoxication that God Himself has come to teach you to become double crowned deities, Lakshmi and Narayan. You spiritual children are sitting in front of the spiritual father in the spiritual school. The spiritual father sits in the spiritual school and teaches you Raj Yoga to become the double crowned deities. First is a crown of light, and second is a crown studded with jewels. That is a symbol of purity. Impure ones can never be shown with the light. When your photograph is taken, a light cannot shone in that. It is not that light emerges when anyone sits on the throne. Baba says you are now effort makers, and this is why you cannot be shown with that light. The light disappears in the copper age, and only a single crown remains. Those who have a single crown worship those who had a double crown. Baba says you children have to explain very well using this picture of Lakshmi Narayan that it is your aim and objective to become Sato Pradhan from Tamo Pradhan. Lakshmi and Narayan used to rule the kingdom in the Bharat. Baba says the people of Bharat should know what happened then and where they went. Did someone conquer them? Did they defeat anyone in the battle? Neither did they conquer anyone nor they were defeated. All of this is a question of Maya. As soon as the kingdom of Ravan began, they fell into the five vices and lost their kingdom. Then, by conquering the five vices, they become that again. Baba says, everyone comes and sit here. Eminent people do not come here because they believe that only the poor come here and so they feel embarrassed. The Father is the Lord of the poor. Here, the Supreme Father is teaching you souls. Baba says the Father himself reminds you of what he had told you in the previous cycle. I enter an ordinary old body, I enter this one at the end of the last of his many births. I tell him, you don't know your own births. Baba says the Father only teaches you souls. Bodies are impure, and even if you dress them in very good clothes, both bodies and souls are still impure. Baba says this is a spiritual study. A golden intellect is required for this. By remembering the Father, the gold, who is ever pure, you souls will continue to become like gold. Baba says he does not make himself into Lakshmi or Narayan. He makes you children that. Baba says you children should not forget that you are the children of the highest on high Father, and so there should be so much royalty. Baba is giving an example when someone who is a toilet cleaner becomes an MP or MLA or he studies and attains a particular position, he becomes a very tip top. Baba says you are Brahma Kumar and Kumaris, the children of Prajapita Brahma. Previously, you belonged to the Shudra clan and now you belong to the Brahman clan. You will become deities. Shiva Baba changes you from Shudra into Brahmins. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you transform your vision and attitude and become an image that grants vision and so transform the world. I repeat, may you transform your vision and attitude and become an image that grants vision and so transform the world. Make your vision divine by transforming of your attitude, and many souls will see their real form, their real home and their real kingdom from your vision. In order to give them that real vision, let there not be the slightest mischievousness of body consciousness in your attitude. Reform your attitude and make your vision divine, and this world will be transformed. Those who see you will experience your eyes to be not just eyes but containers of magic. Your eyes will become a means to give them visions. The slogan of today's Murli is that along with zeal and enthusiasm for doing service, to have an attitude of unlimited disinterest is the means of success. Om Shanti.